You always say you'll be back soon. I don't understand why I can't go too. I don't need much. Just your care and a full heart. I'm scared of the thunder. I wish you knew that your voice makes it better. You're home. My world just started again. I am getting old. My legs don't move like before. But my love for you never slows down. This is my favorite thing. Just being next to you. If I could talk, I'd only say one thing. Thank you for my life.